Hi everyone, thanks for watching Craftbox. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute paper stars just by using a piece of paper. All you need is a piece of folding paper, the larger ones for the bigger stars and the smaller ones for the smaller stars, and a pair of scissors. So let's get started. What we want to do is we want to fold the piece of paper over from one side to the other, creating a straight line in the middle. Then we'd like to turn our piece of paper and fold it across once more over the other side. We want to open it again. Now we want to do a small diagonal fold across the small square. Make sure to press down on your creases so that your fold is nice and tight. We now want to finish a diagonal cross by folding the upper corner to the low left corner. Open it again, and there's our cross. So now we want to turn the paper by a quarter and then use that corner and put it into the middle of the cross we just created. Please don't pay attention to the other side of the paper as it will be crooked, but that won't matter in the end. Put it in front of you like this, and then we want to take the corner on the right and fold it backwards along the left line. So now we're going to take the corner on the right and fold it across that line. It almost resembles a heart after this fold. Make sure the point at the bottom is very sharp. So don't mind the crookedness on the top of the paper because we're going to cut all of that off later. Now we're going to fold the paper backwards and just folding it in half like that. And we want to make sure that both sides fit together perfectly. Then press your fold. Now turn the paper around. And we're going to cut off this bit here. Take your scissors and just cut it across like that through that line you see here. We're creating a triangle shape, kind of. Just put your cuttings to the side. We don't need them anymore. So if you fold open this piece of paper a little, then we'll see that we already have created a bit of a star shape, and we just need to improve the creases in order to give it its right shape. We want to make sure that all of the creases are on the outside. So the ones that are folded in currently, we need to change that in order to make them pop on the outside, on all of the points. When all of the creases are on the outside, we can put the shape down and then press down on the middle part, and there's our star. Great job! If you like my video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos.